Hey guys, what's up, and welcome back to my channel for another video. So I'm gonna be showing you a what I eat in my Omad diet video. You guys really like these videos too, so I'm just gonna be showing you what I'm gonna have today. I'm gonna have this sweet kale chopped salad. We get this from Costco, and this is one of my favorite salads. I'm gonna be having some chicken thighs. I've been loving chicken thighs more so than chicken breast lately, so I'm gonna make some of those. Make a stir fry with these green beans, and then this veggie blend that we also get from Costco as well. I'm gonna have some blueberries, and then I'm also gonna make some sweet potato in the air fryer. I don't know if I want to cube these or cut them into sweet potato fries yet, but this is all that I'm gonna have today for my meal. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I make it. I'm gonna start by cooking the chicken thighs since those take the longest. I'm just grabbing 2 chicken thighs that are frozen and putting them straight into the pan and covering them so that trapped steam will help cook them faster, and I'll season them a little bit later once they're thawed out. Next, I decided to make some sweet potato fries, so I'm gonna prep them by first taking off the skin. I know some people leave the skin on, but I prefer to remove it. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of avocado oil and some pink Himalayan salt, garlic powder, buttery steakhouse seasoning, and cayenne pepper, because honestly I don't like black pepper, you guys. I've tried to, but I really just prefer cayenne pepper over black pepper. I'm gonna give that a toss and put it in this pan to air fry on 400 degrees for 12 minutes. Now it's time to season these chicken thighs. So I'm using garlic powder, cayenne pepper, and some buttery steakhouse seasoning, which is honestly one of my favorites to use for literally everything. So for the veggies, I like them simple. Today I'm having some green beans and a broccoli cauliflower stir-fry blend. So the chicken thighs are done now, and I'm just gonna chop them up. These were so freaking juicy, and lately I've been preferring chicken thighs over chicken breast. They just have more flavor and are way more juicy and tender than a chicken breast in my opinion. So for the veggies, I'm using 1 tablespoon of coconut aminos and some garlic powder to season, and that's it. The coconut aminos is already salty, so you definitely don't have to add any more salt. So everything is done, and now it's time to plate it up. I have the sweet potatoes here, the chicken thighs, and the veggies, and now I'm gonna make my salad. You guys, I know this looks like a lot of food, and honestly it is. I still get comments on my older Omad videos saying that this is a lot of food, but honestly it makes sense when it's only 1 meal a day. Now if I was eating breakfast and dinner with this huge lunch, then that's a problem. But when you're only eating once, it's completely fine. There's a balance of carbs, protein, and fat in this meal, so I think it's gonna be fine. So now it's time to assemble the salad, and this is still one of my favorite salads. It's the sweet kale chopped salad. I've talked about about this before and I've showed this so many times, but it's one of my favorites. We get it from Costco, but you can find it at Walmart or Target or just about any grocery store, I believe. And lastly, because I have a sweet tooth like crazy, I'm filling that sweet tooth craving with some frozen mixed berries and a few fresh blueberries. Seriously, these frozen berries are like candy. It satisfies my sweet tooth and I don't feel guilty after eating it either. So this is everything I'm having today for my one meal. It's a lot of food and it takes me about an hour to eat everything because I've been really focusing on trying to take my time in eating and not rushing and just like shoving food down my throat. So I'm really taking my time eating. So this takes about an hour to get through my one meal. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got a few ideas. If you did enjoy it or found that it was helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and please consider subscribing before you leave today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.